In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unarchive Trello lists in 2025. If you've ever archived a list on Trello and wondered how to bring it back to your board, you're in the right place. Stick with me as we go through each step to unarchive those lists with ease. First, open up your browser and type in trello.com in the address bar and press enter. This will take you to the Trello homepage. Once there, you'll see the option to log in at the top right corner. Give that a click. If it's your first time here, you might need to create an account, but I assume you already have one since we're diving into list management. When you're ready to log in, you can do so in one of two ways, by entering your email and password or using your Google account. If you're like me and prefer keeping all logins nice and tidy, using your Google account is quite convenient. So now that we're in, direct your attention to the area labeled Boards in the header menu. Click on that, and it will show you all the boards you have access to. If you're a part of several workspaces, make sure you're clicking in the Your Workspaces section to get to the board you're looking for. Navigate through your various options to find the board you're eager to work on. Once you've identified the board, just click on it to open it. Now here's where the archiving magic happens. In the upper right corner of your board, you'll notice three little dots, often referred to as the More menu. Click on those to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Archived Items. This area holds all the items you've previously archived, both lists and cards. You'll find by default it shows archived cards, but what we're looking for is archived lists. So look for an option labeled Switch to Lists and select it. This is where all your archived lists are stored. Scroll through to find the specific list you want to bring back into active duty on your board. Once you've located the list, there should be an option considered a Send to Board. Click on that and voila, your list returns to its rightful place on the board, making everything you need easily accessible again. And there you have it, you've successfully unarchived a list on Trello, reviving any crucial tasks or notes that were tucked away. Remember, Trello provides flexibility, allowing you to customize your board settings to fit your workflow efficiently, so feel free to explore and expand on these methods to make Trello work even better for you. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe if you found this tutorial helpful. Until next time, keep your boards organized and your tasks on track.